Hazrat Sahal bin Saad Sayyidi radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Uwaymar Ajlani came to Hazrat Asim bin Adi Ansari and said, O Asim, tell me, if someone finds a man with his wife committing adultery, should he kill him? If he does so, you will finish him in retaliation. So what should he do then? O Asim, ask Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam its precept for me. Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam about it, but Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam disliked asking such question and condemned it. This reply of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam lay heavy on Hazrat Asim. He felt extremely sorry for asking such a question. When Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu reached home, Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu came to him and asked, O Asim, what has Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said? Hazrat Asim radiyallahu anhu said to Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu, I have not brought you any good news. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam disliked the question. I asked him. Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not desist unless I myself ask the precept of this issue from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Then in the presence of people, Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, tell me, if a man finds another man with his wife, should he finish him? If he does so, will you people kill him? 2. In retaliation. Then what should he do? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, a decree has been revealed regarding you and your wife. Go and fetch your wife. Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu anhu says, they both invoked mutual imprecation, while I, along with other people, was also in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. When they both had hurled imprecation, Hazrat Uwaymar radiyallahu anhu said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, if I keep her with me, it will mean I am a liar. He then gave her 3 divorces before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam giving any reply. Ibn Shihab says it then became a precedent for those who wanted to invoke mutual imprecation. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3723.